All right, this is for sort Y20. We're going to be going over the sounds. This is the symbol for short vowel. So short U says The line is the sign for long vowels. So this says U. Then EW says ew. So listen to the difference. U, ew. And UE also says ooh. We are going to try this out. This is your page that I give you each week. And as you can see, this is the one that has the definitions that you fill in the blank. So, I'm going to go over the words with you. I would like you, even though you're at your iPad by yourself, to say the word with me and read the definition with me. Whisper read it at your seat. All right, this first word, thumb. Thumb has a silent B, so you don't hear the B. Thumb. So, of course, we know that that is their shortest finger appendage. So, as I'm reading this, please read with me. Thumb. Take time to draw this later. Thumb. Read it with me. Shortest what? The shortest finger on a human, what is this? Hand. So make sure when you're writing your sentence over here that you are using the word thumb and that you have a good 5th grade sentence. So it should be more than 5 words. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So an example I could write as my sentence here would be, I like to play the game Heads Up, 7 Up. I put up my thumb, people touch it, and I guess them. All right, moving on to the next word, new. New means not what before. If you have a new pair of shoes, they have not been used before. So think of a sentence with the word new, this word, and write it here. Pause the video if you need to. I'm moving on. This next word, say it with me, new. It sounds the exact same as this word, new. New, 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 new. Now this new has a silent K at the beginning, which this word, the thumb had a silent B at the end. New has a silent K at the beginning. If I knew the answer, it means that I understand it. And in the past, we used the word understood it. So, the definition of new, it's a word in the past. We only use it when we're talking about the past. So, it means know in the past. Go ahead, write your sentence here. Make sure that you use the word new right here and not the word no. We're not writing the word no, we're writing the new in a sentence. I knew the answer to on the test yesterday. All right, pause it if you need to. I'm going on. Cube, cube. Say it with me. Cube. It sounds like it starts with a Q, but it does not. It starts with a C. And it has the long U because it has a silent E. So, let's look at the definition. A cube is a, read it with me, 3D something with 6 something sides. It is a 3D shape with 6. What shape is this? Is each side? Each side of a cube is a square. Now, in case you don't know, I'm going to teach you how to draw a cube really quick. You draw a square because it says there's square sides, and then you draw another square that starts in the middle of that square. See, I have my 2 squares. Now I'm going to connect the edges like this. There's one, here's another, I'm connecting the corners, excuse me. There, I have a cube. Now I can write a sentence here about how I just learned how to draw a cube. All right, now we're going to move on to the word true. True. True means that, read it with me, something is real or correct. Now, it's hard to draw a picture of true, so you need to write a sentence first using the word true, and then draw your picture of this sentence. Now, the next word is truth. Say it with me, truth. A truth is read it with me, a something or belief, something that someone believes, that is, A truth is a fact or belief, so it's either a true statement or something that someone believes is true, that is right. So I'm going to write a sentence about truth. Sometimes I lie and sometimes I tell the truth. That's a good 5th grade sentence. So the truth would be the opposite of lie. Next word, dune. Dune. A dune is a large pile of something or something else. So a dune is when there is a bunch of sand or dirt. So here is a picture that I took, and this is from the Great Sand Dunes National Park. It's actually here in Colorado. Down by the mountains, there is this random spot that has lots and lots of sand dunes, and you can see these are actually really tall. It took me a long time to hike up this sand dune. But these are very tall, and they're like little mountains, but made of sand. This is another picture of one closer up, where you can see it just perfectly piles of sand. So if you want to, you can write a sentence here about those pictures I just showed you. The next word is trunk. Trunk. It is the main part of a tree. Read with me. Or, trunk has another meaning. When there's a bold or, it means there's another meaning. A trunk is the back of a car, and it is used to put things in it. So you can use either one of these definitions, either talk about the tree, and this big part is the trunk, or you can talk about a car. Okay, my drawing's not super great, but this is the back of the car, and this part right here is the trunk. So, go ahead, write your sentence, and make sure you write each of the words 3 times.